Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to see the Winter Frost event quest list. In this latest update, Winter Frost event is finally here. To check the quest list, just simply tap on the snowman icon on your screen. This one, just tap on it like this. And then in here you can see the weekly challenge and then fashion activity and then the rewards. And then in here on the weekly challenge you can read the quest detail over here. And then once you finish a quest, you will get several items like this. And then on the fashion activity, you can complete the quest and get the special winter coins as a rewards like this. These winter coins can be used to buy exclusive winter items from the NPC Azoui. And you can also earn some extra item rewards from certain quests over here. And okay, maybe that's it. So don't forget to check the snowman icon and complete your winter frost quest every week. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!